Hey everybody, Mr. Klausner here. It is Monday, January 24th, and welcome to class. This will be for our math class. You guys can definitely see that, I make one of these a week. So watch this, and then you'll know exactly what's coming up and what you need to do. All right. So it is January 24th. It is week 23, like Michael Jordan, and it is January 24th today. This week goes until January 28th. Our quote of the week is Umuntu Nagamuntu Nagabantu, or a person is a person because of other people, which is a Zulu proverb in the African subset. It's an A schedule today. I really love that quote, though. It's so true and very beautiful, the sentiment. Happy Monday. It is a full week. We've got some birthdays this week. Frank and Chaz and Caleb Malu, Jonah coming up. Announcements. We do, have got the MLC today during advisory. Got a lot going on this week. So I'll just check in with those during the week. The do now is on the next slide. It's part of what we do. We'll do the agreement outside, enter the do now, then take attendance. We're going to review week 22 homework, which was Baby Groot or Guardians of the Galaxy. We'll take a brain break, and then I will give you the directions on the memorization project. I'm going to make a separate video for the memorization project directions. So just know that that's coming down the pipeline too. We are going to review some things this week, things that we've learned and things that we haven't learned. So I'll be able to solve one-step algebraic equations, use Pythagorean Theorem, which works with triangles, which is an interesting way that we can solve for an unknown side of a triangle. And then we will review opposites and absolute value, and then calculate the area of a circle, which we were talking about last week. Then I'll give you time to work on your homework for this week, which is Thor. And then coming down the pipeline, we will have the memorization project directions this week. So start to think about it. And then we will also have the escape room this week. So that'll be Thursday and Friday, an activity online, much like the Sony Open, except this one, if you're in person, we'll kind of have time to it. We'll have the teams with it, and I'll escape. You guys will have to solve math problems to escape the room. Okay. Then we clean up and dismiss. So we're just walking through. Here we are. This is kind of our big outlook of January, the escape room, the memorization project, and homework week 23. Next week is a lighter week. So that should say week 24 at the bottom, but a lot less going on because I want you to be practicing for your memorization project. Okay. What does our do now? One-step algebraic equations, and then a little talk, and then we review the Guardians of the Galaxy homework. We have some brain breaks today. And then this is the memorization project, which I am going to talk about in a separate video. Oh, I already have it. Nope, no, I don't. We walked through this on Tuesday, all this stuff, so you can see that again. Actually, let's talk about this again. One-step algebraic equations, T-bar, line them up, and use the opposite inverse operation to solve for the variable. Pythagorean theorem is a way we can solve for an unknown side. In this one, it's a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and that's always true, and that's how it's always the way. Opposite numbers, again, are the opposite. So if we have -4, the opposite of that would be +4. Differing, though, is the absolute value. If I have the absolute value of -2, it's going to be +2. If you have the absolute value of +2, it's its distance from 0, and it's still 2. Area of a circle, again, we talked about this last week, pi r squared. So we need to solve PEMDAS. We need to know what pi represents, and then we need to calculate the math. Okay, and then I give you time to work on the homework. It should be no, that's from last year. Oh, okay. All right, there should be a cleaning up one, but regardless, we always end the day cleaning up and making sure our area is nice and neat, being respectful, pushing our chairs, wipe off our desks. So that's the week of week 23, and I hope you guys had a great weekend, and it's a full week. So I'll see you guys online today at 12:20, Wednesdays 12:50, and Friday at 12:30.